everybody, it's Peter Brennan here, and right now I'm just scanning the US equity market for potential gap play candidates. Now, I have a checklist that I use to check to filter out what could be potential good gap plays, and it's about 10 minutes before they open. And typically I look for candidates at this stage and then look to take the trade if I get the right trigger after the market opens. Looks like a good day for gaps actually, because a lot of instruments are gapping 1 to 2 and even 3%. So that gives some nice setups, so nice opportunities for setting up. So it's a matter of finding the right one now. Just waiting for the market bell, and let's see what sets up. Wow, everything's going nuts here at the open. Certainly too early to take any gap plays yet. Still watching, looking for a nice entry. Okay, I like the look of Apple here, going short Apple. Let me just change the screen for you so you can see it a bit easier. Just marking also Apple's in the middle here. I've just marked in where I've gone short at around 251, and target is 247.28. So let's see how she does. B2 is also looking good for a gap play here. Now when I say target on Apple, I'm watching the stock, so if it gets to the gap close, that's great. If it doesn't, if I see something else happening, I'll cut it loose and hopefully I'll take some profits before it gets away from me as well. Hi guys, here's one I didn't take. I guess I got distracted by the video. I'm just looking at RIM here on the right. That one seems to be making its move to close the gap. Unfortunately, the one I'm in is Apple. It's still making its mind up, so we'll just have to wait and see what happens. Okay, Apple's going my way now, and I've just gone short Amazon as well. Let me just mark that in on the charts for me. I've gone short Amazon at 112, and the target is here on the gap close, 109.18. So I'm just pausing as we go, because otherwise these videos only last 4 or 5 minutes, and the gap might take a couple of hours at least to close. Okay, just checking in halfway through the trades again. I just wrote in on the charts the instruments I'm playing just to make a little bit easier for you to see. So Amazon on the left, Apple in the middle, and RIM on the right. As I said earlier, I missed my entry on the RIM trade, so I'm not in there. But Amazon and Apple, which I am in, and I'm in at the points I marked in the chart, are both going my way. So it's just a question of being patient now and waiting to see how much of the gap close I can get. Okay, back in a short while. Oh, hi everyone, back here about 3.5 hours into the US trading day. It's been rather tedious wait for these gaps to close, so I decided to take Apple profit here at 249. There it is there for about $2.50, and I'll show you why on the 5-minute chart. You can see here it's in the center. It started hitting some. It's going to hit some resistance here pretty soon. So sometimes it's better just to bug out early and take some profit off the table for about $2.50 there. Amazon still heading towards its gap, so I'm going to leave that. Like I said earlier, I'm not in RIMS, but if I was, that looks like it's going to be a nice gap close. It's almost there, and you can see Apple is now bouncing at where I took the profit. So back later, we'll see how Amazon is done. Hi, you can see it's been another 45 minutes since I paused the video, and in that time RIM completely closed its gap. Amazon is still working. I'm out of Apple, like I said a moment ago. So what I'll do now, I need to process this video. Takes a bit of time to do that, so I'm going to halt the video now. It's already too long anyway. And if Amazon goes and closes the gap, I'll try and add an addendum at the end of the video. The position's well in profit by now anyway. Okay, thanks everybody. Hi guys, I'm back here with an addendum. Looks like I was a little bit hasty on Apple. It's closed the gap, so that's some poor trading on my part. I didn't let the trade run as far as it should. Amazon has gone and closed the gap too. It's quite painful. We're near the end of the session now, about half an hour left. But that trade's executed pretty well. So I went short about 112 and closed at 109. So that's about $3 per share on that. And made $2 per share on Apple, even though I closed it out early. So 2 successful gap trades there. Thanks, guys.